Today I'm doing, if you can see well, sorry, it's the light, but uh, okay. This is a travel friendly wax kit. So it has like a little silicone thing in the top here, and it has a little silicone stuff, and you can put wax in here. So if you're in a go, and especially like traveling and you're gonna go through TSA and you can't take like a big wax thing, and if you're gonna be gone a long time and you like to keep your areas, certain areas waxed, this is definitely like a go-to I would recommend for y'all. When the light turns green, that means it's good. When it's red, I don't know if you can see, that means it's currently heating. So it's gonna take some time, but I'll show you guys once it melts. It also comes with a user manual. These plastic things are supposed to be for your nose, and it's supposed to be for let's see, your nose, and what else? It's on here. Nose and ear hair removal. It also comes with sticks for your eyebrows, like very close position for your eyebrows, lips, anywhere on your face. And also you can use it on your intimate area or your legs or anything like that if you choose to. It also comes with a post wax care liquid, which is very nice. And it also has a pouch here so you can take everything. Everything fits in here and you can take it to travel. Like I said, if you're gonna be traveling for a while. And your hair grows really quickly. Like if and it'll be this time to wax, and I definitely do recommend this. But after the wax melts, I'm gonna test it on myself real quick and give you guys my honest opinion about the overall products. So the wax finally melted, and it didn't take too long. It took about 15 minutes or so. I didn't really keep count, but it didn't take as long as I thought it would be. And the light turned green, so I just knew it was that. I unplugged it because it's pretty short. I can't record while doing this at the same time, so I gotta do this quickly. But I'm gonna be using, I'm gonna shave here, I'm not gonna shave, wax some hair that I have here on my lips. And yeah, let's get to that. You see that? It's hard to see, but it took my hair out, which is really nice. You can see a little on the side. There you see the little hairs. But yeah, and it felt really nice and not really painful for me. I'm used to waxing though, so I'm definitely gonna be using this for little small intimate areas like around my face, because I grow a lot of hair easily here, and I really like that small and portable. And sometimes I don't want to use a big wax thing to wax myself, so I really prefer this.